So here's how to write really good blog post, and I have provided a list of keywords that we are currently ranking. So in order to find the relevant topic, what you can do is look at those keywords, and they are sorted right now based on the volume. So we can start from the top and then start with some of the keywords that we are ranking relatively well, and also where the volume is really high, right? So each blog post should be around one particular keyword. So what you can do is get one of those keywords. So for example, let's say IT consultant was one of the keywords, and let's say that you want to get some topics around this, right? So we go to Google and then we search for IT consultant, and then when we scroll to the bottom, here we see some searches related to IT consultant, right? So this will give us some topics that we can write around IT consultants. One is IT consultant job description. Then we could write about IT consultant salary. We could talk about the IT consultant salary trends, how it varies based on the geographic area. Are there any particular skills that would make the IT consultant salary more, and so forth. We could talk about the IT consultant career path, right? So those are a couple of topics that we can write suggested by Google around the IT consultant keyword. So again, what we do is we look at that Excel spreadsheet that I sent, select a keyword based on the volume and based on where we are currently ranking, put it in Google, get some relevant topics for that particular blog post. So now we have a topic for the blog post, and then also we have the keyword that we're going after. So the keyword is the keyword that you get from the spreadsheet, right? That is the keyword. And then the topic is what we get from Google. So then once we have that, now this is the process of what we will need to do to write the blog post. So like I said, each blog post should be around one particular target keyword. So that target keyword, for example, we are talking about IT consultants. So that target IT consultant keyword should be in the URL. Then LSI keywords. So LSI keywords are basically long tail keywords, and let me put here the website that you can use to find LSI keywords. So you go to this website and then put your keyword. So in this case it's IT consultants, and then you go ahead and do the generate, and then it will give you a lot of related long tail keywords. So once you find the relevant long tail keywords, put those long tail keywords in the blog title. So this is the title that is visible to a human. Then also the blog title tag. Now this is not something that is visible to a human, so this is under the meta information. Then also have some long tails in the meta description. Then have a couple of long tails in the H1 tag. You should always have only one H1 tag, and then have several H2 and H3 tags for the headings. So basically the H1 is the main heading, and then the H2 and H3 are the subheadings, and have a couple of long tail keywords in these tags. Then in the image all tag, and then in the internal and external links, in the anchor text for these links. Then I talk about more about these links down here. But basically when you create these links, the clickable text is the anchor text. So when you create this internal or external links, use relevant long tail keywords. Now this is something that is optional. So if your blog post has categories, then use the main target keyword for that particular category. And if you also have tags that you can use to tag the blog post, then use the long tail LSI or long tail keywords for those tags. Now ideally I would suggest the blog article to be about 1000 words, but it could be a little shorter or longer. And then try to have several images, and again when you have those images in the alt tags, use the LSI or long tail keywords. Then try to have a video that is relevant for the topic. This could be even a video that you create. You could even go to YouTube and then search on the topic that you're writing and then get a relevant keyword, or this could be a video that you create just summarizing the article. So in terms of the links, have one link pointing to the home page where the anchor text is what is known as a naked link, so which is basically the URL. So what I mean is we put a link from the blog article to the home page, and then the anchor text or the clickable text for that link is the URL. Then have one link going to the inner page related to the article that we are trying to rank. So you can find this from the spreadsheet that I sent. So for this example, we are looking at IT consultants. So we have a particular page that is already ranking for IT consultants. So we will be sending one link from this particular blog article to that particular page, and then the anchor text is going to be the main target keyword, which is IT consultants. Then we will have other internal links with long tail anchor text going to other relevant pages on the site. So this could be other blog articles, for example, and then also you could have other links going to social sites, to relevant pages if you can find any relevant social articles. Then also try to have a couple of links that is going from this particular blog article to other relevant authority articles on the internet. So this is not articles that we have written, but these are industry authoritative sites and articles on those sites. So try to have some links going from our site in this blog article to those other authoritative articles, and for the anchor text use the relevant long tail keywords.